Hi all, I'm temporarily back. I have my laptop back, and we're trying to normalize here. Fires are still going. We're still on level alert 1, so if my phone goes off, you're gonna see it in real time here. But I'm going to go ahead and do the drawing, and I will put below on this video how you can contact me. And this is my 200 subscriber giveaway, and it's for this pretty little envelope journal that I did the video on before. I hope I do this comment picker correctly. So shall we get on with it and see what happens? Okay. Oh, and I threw in this as an extra. It was just the little parts that were left over from the packet. Okay, now I have put in, can you see that? It's probably going to be a little weird looking. I have to hold my computer at a funny angle here. Okay, I've put in my URL there. Get YouTube comments, okay. Amount of unique commenters, only 14, so you guys have a really good chance at this. Okay, you ready? It's right there. Here's the names. Winner, Craft Portal. And she said, I like the idea of napkin tags as well as jelly prints used in journals and tags. I would love a video on that, please. Congratulations on the 200 subscribers. Hey, Craft Portal, guess what? You did win. Congratulations. Thank you everybody for joining in and for being so patient while we deal with fires here in Oregon. Craft Portal, get a hold of me. You have a week, 7 days. Hooray! Everybody make sure they congratulate her, and thank you everybody for subscribing and commenting. And I've been looking at your comments and working on some new ideas while I wait around for the fire to go away out there in Oregon land. And anyway, I will talk to you later. Bye-bye for now. Woohoo!